Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Srinivasan, C Sharp developer. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete a record from the table. Um, yeah, so let's get into this. So for that, we are going to create a variable in which we are going to hold the rows. Um, the rows will be affected in the table actually. So for that connection, the connection is execute method. Now delete star delete from build table where id build number where build number equal to I'm going to delete the build number 4, so at build number. So for that I think you know how we can pass the value for this scalar variable, right? So at bn equal to 4, right? So now give the breakpoint here. So this is the form in which this is actually, so we don't need this. This is actually a run button actually. Yeah, run button. So whenever we click on, so we will be here, right? So we will execute this Dapper C# code. So let's check it. Run. So you can see we wrote some code to delete the record from builds table which has a build number 4. So you can see result is 1, which means that record is deleted now. So you can see there is no 4 build number 4 record, so it's deleted actually, right? So in the same way you can delete more than one build number, but you need to pass more than one value, right? So how will you pass? So for that, so you need to create one collection. The integer is data type of build number. So build numbers equal to new list. So now I'm going to delete 5 and 6. So 5 and 6. So 5 comma 6 actually. So now where build number in. Okay. Now we can directly pause. Sorry. Build numbers. So now let's check. So we are going to delete the two records which has bill number 5 and 6, right? So that's the condition here. You can see two rows are deleted. Let's check in the database. Yeah, 5 and 6 is gone. So this is how you can delete a single record from the table, or more than one record um, from the table using C# Dapper. So yeah, I hope you can understand, guys. So in the next video I'll come with uh, different topic of Dapper C#. Thank you.